Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Chrissy 360. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox a dome port for my GoPro 7.
Kasamahan niyo ako na buksan natin to.
So this is what you see outside of the box. It's a 6 inches dome port for water photography. It's for GoPro 7. Let's open it. So when you open it, it's a really nice box, guys. As you see, they are in packaged nicely. So this one is a cover for the dome. It's a nice cover. It will be protected the surface of the dome. This one is a wipe to clean up. And here we go. This is the dome. And let's see what else in there inside the box. Anti-fog. And I have the handle in here. A floating handle and a trigger. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll assemble the trigger and the handle. Also, we have a screw and wrench in here. Let's go and assemble this dome port for GoPro. And you will see this full handle in order to open the GoPro housing. So, just pull it and snap and it will open. Easy. So we have here to assemble this trigger and the handle. We need a screw. So to assemble, it's easy to just do that. Push all the way through until you see the hole right there. And okay, just do like that. Right there, tight. There you go. So guys, stay tuned for the trial of this dome underwater photography on the water by subscribing and hit the bell button so you will be notified for my next video. And I say thank you so much for your support. Once again guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and hit the bell button so you can be notified for my next video. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And here you go guys, our dome camera photography is done assembling, and this will be ready to go underwater. So stay tuned for the trial of this dome underwater. Thank you so much again, and see you in my next video.